Welcome back. Let's move on to some other news now coming from politics. He was booted out on the phone, but the former soldier is now defiant and is waging a war against the BJP. Sacked BJP leader Jaswant Singh has bluntly told the party that he will not be quitting as chairman of the Public Accounts Committee. Jaswant is avenging the insult heaped on him and is enjoying every bit of it. His explosive disclosures on the Kandahar hijack swap has virtually cornered BJP's Lauh Purush Lal Krishna Advani. The former foreign minister has virtually thumbed his nose at the Parivar, notwithstanding noises of support for him from within the Sangh. And despite Sushma and SS Ahluwalia driving to Jaswant's house on Monday and trying to cajole and coax him to quit, Jaswant is in no mood to budge. The prodigal son will not be returning, and Jaswant drove home this point by firmly saying that there is no question of him returning into the BJP's fold because he was unceremoniously thrown out. He's also determined not to quit the parliamentary body unless the Speaker herself asks him to.
आपकी वापसी को लेके और तैयारियां शुरू हो गई हैं, तो अगर पार्टी की तरफ से आपको न्योता आता वापसी का तो आप वापस आएंगे?
इस पर आप अपना फिक्र न करें तो अच्छा है। वो दरवाजा बंद हो चुका है, उधर जाने का मेरा कोई इरादा नहीं। नो, आई एम नॉट until the Speaker, because the determination of this post and the decision is the Speaker, not of a political party.
And rebels are having a field day while a beleaguered BJP tries to put its house in order. Rajasthan BJP leader Vasundhara Raje too appears defiant and is yet to quit as leader of opposition in the Rajasthan Assembly. While feigning sickness, she has missed Rajnath Singh's deadline to quit, and Raje knows that she cannot get the treatment meted out to other people like Jaswant Singh, and she is only trying to buy time for herself. Meanwhile, BJP leaders again went into a huddle with all top leaders meeting, but in public the party said that this meeting was not about the rebellion within, but about the forthcoming assembly elections. All right, in fact, joining us live now from Delhi is our BJP correspondent Atish Srivastav. Atish, in fact, earlier in an interview to a magazine, Jaswant Singh had made it clear that he is going to do his utmost to embarrass the BJP, even though Sushma Swaraj herself went to his house to try and coax him. He is in no mood to relent.
Well, Padmaja, it was expected because Jaswant Singh was never supposed to take anything lying down. He categorically said that he will not resign from the post of chairman of Public Accounts Committee because that post which has been assigned by Speaker of the House, and whatever has to be done, it should be done by the Speaker. He may have been a nominee of the opposition because constitutionally it is the post which goes to the opposition and they nominate a person, but it has to be appointed by the Speaker. That is what the technical glitch is, and Jaswant Singh is very well using that because the appointment has been made by Speaker. And BJP very well knew this fact. That is why they sent two of the top leaders, two of the deputy leaders of different houses.
In fact, the truth is that aside of trying to convince Jaswant Singh, there's precious little the BJP can do because ultimately it is the Speaker's call to ask Jaswant Singh to resign, and Meera Kumar has made it clear that she is going to do nothing of the sort.
In fact, Padmaja, yesterday L.K. Advani also met Speaker. He raised this issue. He wanted to discuss this issue with the Speaker. He's discussed with BJP that now Jaswant Singh cannot remain chairman of PSC because that post has to go to opposition. That is what the plea BJP has taken, that no matter what happens, constitutionally it has to be with opposition, or Speaker will have to listen to opposition because it's basically a nominee of the opposition, and he is no longer with the BJP, he is no longer with the opposition. Now, whether he has been appointed by Speaker or not, but he is a nominee of the opposition and he has to be removed from there. So obviously they have taken it up with the Speaker. The ball is in the Speaker's court. She has to decide whether this appointment will continue or whether she will give up to the pressure put on to her by opposition that the post should go to the BJP.
All right, Atish Srivastav, thank you very much for joining us with the latest, another small battle brewing with Jaswant Singh as one of the characters, and he is going to put up a very stiff fight from the looks of it. With that, it's a wrap on this bulletin. Coming up next.